Hi, second grade. Welcome back to our next math lesson. For this lesson, you're going to need a few things. First, you've got to have your 0 through 9 number cards. Remember, they are numbered 0 through 9. If you ever need to remake them, just make one with one number on each card, 0 through 9. You also need something to write with and your worksheet, which is called card collection and looks a little something like this. I'm also giving you access to a thousands chart that you can absolutely print and assemble to use to help you. You can also just look at it on your computer because it is a few pages of paper. And access to your online base 10 blocks. Those are for you to use if you would like to. If you don't feel like you need them, you don't have to access them. Our card collection sheet is marked as a milestone task. So this is something that I would like for you to try out on your own. I want you to be trying it out on your own. If you're really struggling and you need some help, it's okay to reach out for support from a parent or another helper, but it's something I would like for you to challenge yourself to attempt on your own. There are two sides. If you print it out, it'll probably print on 2 pieces of paper, but you need to do both sides, and the expectation is that you will upload both sides, so it's 2 different pages for your teacher to take a look at in our Google Classroom. Do not forget to add an attachment before you mark the assignment as done. All right, let's get started. All right, so for card collection, you are going to need something to write with and your 0 through 9 cards. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick 3 cards. It says right here, pick 3 cards. So just mix them up and choose 3 at random. I don't want you to pick ones that you want. I want you to choose 3 random ones. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So I pulled a 9, a 2, and a 6. So number 1 says, make all the possible numbers you can using all the cards you picked once. So you have to use all 3 cards to show me as many numbers as you can. Not just one example, not just 926, but you need to switch them around and show me as many as you can. You should be able to show me at least 4 numbers. Many of your numbers, you'll be able to show me even more. I want you to show me as many as you can using all 3 cards. Not just using 2 of the cards, it has to be using all 3. So I might write 296, you can add a little comma, 926, and so on. There's definitely more than 2 ways to show these 3 numbers, so you want to show as many ways as you can. Okay. Number 2 says, choose one of the numbers you made and write it here. So up here, out of all of the different numbers you should have in this box, you're choosing one of them to write down right here. Any one that you want, it's your choice. So I'm going to write down 296. I'm pulling that number straight from here, 296. Make your number with base 10 blocks and draw it here. So you're going to draw the base 10 blocks that this number that you write here represents. So remember that a big box represents 100, a line represents 10, and a dot represents 1. So if I have 296, I'm going to show 200, 2 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens, and how many ones do I have? I have 6 ones. So for your number, you're going to show me the base 10 blocks. Down here it says write your number in expanded form. If you forget what expanded form looks like, it's when you stretch out the numbers. So if I'm working with the number 296, I want to stretch that out into hundreds plus, tens plus, ones. On the back, it says my number is, you're just going to write your number again. You can keep working with the same number or you can choose a different one. It's up to you. what is one more than your number? So you would tell me what's one more than 296, what's one less than 296, what's 10 more than 296, what's 100 more than 296, and what number is 100 less than 296. If you're not sure, this would be a great time to take a look at a thousands chart to help you. This one here says choose two of your numbers to write a comparison using less than or greater than. Remember that less than means that it's pointing away from the bigger number. Less than is pointing away from the number. So the smaller number has this point to it and the mouth is open to the bigger number. Greater than the mouth is open to the bigger number on this side and the smaller number is on the other side. So I'm going to choose two of my numbers, 296 and 926. 296 and 926. Is 296 less than 296 is less than 926. This last part here says to explain your thinking. You can explain your thinking by placing your numbers on the number line. You can also use hundreds, tens, and ones, or you can use place value. You can talk about place value using your words. All three of those are choices that you can use to explain your thinking, and all of them will be accepted, but you just have to choose one. So go ahead and get started, and be sure to attach your work so that your teacher can give you some feedback. Good luck, guys. Have a great day. Bye.